5 feet. Flooding begins as backwater near Big Darby Creek. Flooding also affects low-lying areas near Little Walnut and Canal and Island roads. A frost advisory is in effect from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. Monday for the following counties.
I was on to earlier.
Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Greene, Madison, and Union. Temperatures as low as 35 will result in frost formation. Frost could kill sensitive outdoor vegetation if left uncovered.
Oh no!
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood warning for small streams in Ashland County, Crawford County, Southern Huron County, Northern Knox County, Northeastern Marion County, Northeastern Morrow County, Richland County, Northwestern Holmes County in Northeastern Ohio, Southeastern Seneca County, Eastern Wyandotte County until 12:30 a.m.
What is going on today?
At 6:43 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area.
Is that it right there? Yes, sir. Oh, that one. What the heck? Sorry for that TikTok channel. Anyway,
Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Loudonville, New London, Belleville, Plymouth, New Washington, Hayesville,
that's 4 flood
Savannah,
warnings.
Hope, Chatfield, Greenwich, and
KIG
Butler.
86.
Flooding is
Which
occurring
makes
along
6.
the Black Fork
I've gotten
Mohican.
all together.
The Black Fork comes out of banks
Pretty cool.
upstream of the river gauge at 16.5
Maybe a
feet.
double header.
Additional nuisance flooding may be possible across the warning area. Mohican River will be at bank full through much of
It took a while for
Loudonville.
the 12-262
Some
to
low-lying campgrounds near
catch
the
it.
river could see some minor inundation.
Alright, what happens?
A frost advisory
Right,
is
nothing.
in effect so far was
Uh-oh.
at 12:14 p.m. Normal, like the record low is 30. Cleveland has issued a flood warning for small streams in Ashland County, Crawford County, Southern Huron County, Northern Knox County, Northeastern Marion County, Northeastern Morrow County, Richland County, Northwestern Holmes County in Northeastern Ohio, Southeastern Seneca County in Northwestern Ohio, Eastern Wyandotte County in Northwestern Ohio until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 2 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mansfield, Ashland, Bucyrus, Galion, Shelby, Willard, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Loudonville, New London, Belleville, Plymouth, New Washington, Hayesville, Savannah, Hoke, Chatfield, Greenwich, and Butler. Flooding is occurring along the Black Fork Mohican. The Black Fork comes out of banks upstream of the river gauge at 16.5 feet. Additional nuisance flooding may be possible across the warning area. Mohican River will be at bank full through much of Loudonville. Some low-lying campgrounds near the river could see some minor inundation. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Crawford, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Marion, Morrow, Richland, Seneca, and Wyandotte. The National Weather. 8 feet. Flood stage is 15 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Expected to rise above flood stage early. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Gilead and Edison. Areas of Morrow County fairgrounds are flooded. A few homes and businesses along South Main Street are threatened.
Oh god.
Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways. An underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Monday for the following county: Morrow, Ohio. At 6 p.m., weather report.
Oh, another one, really?
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued
Holy
a flood
crap,
warning
that's
for
another one.
central Morrow County until 12:45 a.m. At 6:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen.
So
Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Gilead and Edison. Low-lying areas of Morrow County fairgrounds are flooded. A few homes and businesses along South Main Street are threatened. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.